Hi guys, this is Lynn. This is part 2 of how to join Thrive events in VRChat. In part 1 we discussed that you need a VRChat account and you need to request to join the VRChat group, the Thrive VRChat group. So go back and watch that video if you haven't done that. Once you've created your VRChat account and sent in your request to join our group, you need to download VRChat from the Meta Store. It's a free app, and install it on your headset. If you already have VRChat and you want to be a group member, you can also leave a message in our VRChat messenger chat in the Thrive Pavilion community chat, or you could post a comment on the event page of the event you want to get into and say, I'd like to join the Thrive VRChat group. My VRChat name is. So we need to know your VRChat name before we can send you an invite to the group. But you can also request to join the group on our website, and we can accept you into the group that way. And then now I'm going to show you, once you are a member of the group, how to tell if you're a member of the group and how to join a Thrive event. So what you want to do, find an event that you want to attend. You could find those events on our calendar. Any event that has a V next to it means that that event is being held in VRChat. We also do pop-up events. Those are posted on our Facebook page, and all events are very clearly marked with instructions whether the event is in VRChat or not. So again, if you find an event you want to attend, it says it's in VRChat, you need to have that account, you need to be a member of the Thrive VRChat group, and then you can find that event in the VRChat app on your headset. So when the time comes for your event, you're going to go into your app library, click on VRChat, and now you're going to land in your home world. Your home world may be different than mine. You can save any world in VRChat as your home world, and that will be the subject of another video. Right now we're just talking about how to get into a Thrive event. There are also some settings that you may need that will also be covered in another video. So I'm here in my home world, and when I'm ready to join my event, I need to open my launch pad. Could do that by quick pressing the left menu button, the left button on your controller. Now, if you long press that button, you'll get the round menu. You don't want the round menu. Press again to close it. Quick press will get you your launch pad. And on your launch pad, you're going to see buttons, and we want to go to the group button. And if you've become a member, if your request has been accepted, you're going to see Thrive Pavilion listed in your group directory here on the left. I'm in a lot of groups, so they're there. So there's Thrive Pavilion. Now, if you don't see Thrive Pavilion here, check your notifications. Look at the bell. Check your notifications to see if you've been invited to join the group. If you don't see any notifications, go down to where it says group and see if anyone's invited you to join Thrive Pavilion. If not, you're going to have to not attend that event at that time and go back and make sure you request to join, or somebody has seen your request. And again, make sure you are an actual member of Thrive you have answered the membership questions and agreed to the group rules on the Facebook page. So when you are ready to attend an event, you're going to click on groups, and if you do see Thrive on the left side here, click on Thrive, and you're going to see tabs up on top. So the group info page doesn't tell you much of anything, but if something is happening in Thrive, you will see under instances that there is an instance going on. There's one instance right now that's happening. That's a Thrive Pavilion group instance. Again, our group is private. If you're not a member, you won't see it. Click on instances. And so right now the Tai Chi is going on in the yoga studio. I can see there are 14 people there. 8 of them are my friends. These are my friends in VRChat. VRChat has a separate friend system, and we'll talk about how to make and find friends in another video. But if I want to attend Tai Chi, I'm going to click on that instance of the yoga studio and join. You see how it's listed as a Thrive group event. Only Thrive group members are going to be in this event. So I'm not actually going to join now because I'm recording. I don't want to disturb anyone. And that's how you get into a Thrive event. Thanks for watching.